Hey, welcome to Try Trying Harder. I'm Guido, and today we have an unboxing and review of this little guy from Weber, the grill company. Spoiler alert, this is a grill brush. Let's check it out. Alright, I had no idea what this was gonna look like. So this little guy is a cold cleaning brush. Now, I had this Weber brush from before that worked great, and you know, over the decades they found out that these little wire bristles break off and end up in your hamburgers and God knows what. So this got recalled and they sent me this as a replacement. I think it's funny that it's longer, being a cold brush. It doesn't need to be long because it's not going to be hot. So I'm going to check this out. I've never really done a brush like this before. I like having my grill hot to really get all the stuff off easier. But obviously with these, what are these? Silicone? Nylon. They're gonna melt if you don't have a fully cooled grill. Well, let's go check it out in action. Come on. All right, look at these pristine bristles before we go ahead and gunk it all up. They're pretty sturdy, stiff, pretty much a wire brush. So let's go see how it does. Okay, here's my nasty steak grill, completely cooled as required for using one of these nylon brushes because they'll melt. Let's see how it does. And after a couple minutes, there you have it. It's not perfect, but it'll do, and the rest will cook off when I preheat for the next grill session. There you go. All right, the steaks were good, and you know what? The brush wasn't too bad itself. Look at that grimy gunk. I probably should clean this. I will clean it at some point. I'm thinking that probably just hot water and some Dawn will knock that all out. But you guys got to see it in action. What do you think? I thought it did good enough. Relatively similar to the metal bristles. So I think it's an acceptable alternative for safety. I feel like it gets cleaner when I'm like cleaning it hot, especially because I have one of those in a prior review. Rescue fire hose steaming wet brushes. Those are expensive. So this is a cheap alternative for real. I guess my only annoyance with it is it being longer. Like this flexed quite a bit. I felt like I couldn't really get elbow grease in there to clean it as clean as I would want and be able to with the wire bristles. So that's a little disappointing. But for a recall item and safety, it gets the job done. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You gonna go out and buy one of these, or do you want to find some metal stuck in your burger? I've never had it happen, but it must be a thing, and it would be unfortunate for it to finally happen. I'll probably still roll around with this every once in a while and use the steaming rescue brush to really get things clean. And I guess Weber, you know, I get it. You want to be economical, you want to be safe, but when it comes to giving me a little bit sturdier handle that doesn't flex when I push on it, try trying harder.